Hey guys, what's going on? On the way to the dyno today. 72 degrees February, who'd have thought that? But on the way to the dyno, as you can tell, the car is tailgating me. A little close back there. But we're gonna go see what it's got going on. Got the car home, wanted to get it out and test drive it today, and finally got it where I can drive it. And it's supposed to rain, maybe snow this afternoon, so that's probably not going to happen. But happy with the results. It made 588 to the wheels on about 14 and a half pounds of boost, which is pretty good for right now. It's a good safe tune. It's a tune where I can take it to the drag strip and work some bugs out of it. You know, try to get the suspension set up. Make sure that, because I hadn't even tried to adjust the suspension on it whatsoever, and get that took care of, and then we'll go from there on the power. Probably thinking about maybe putting some 160-pound injectors in it, some E85. But turn it up some more. Randy from Carolina Dyno down in Wilmington, he's the one that hooked me up on the tune, and very happy with it. But he told me it's got a lot more power in it, so he said this was just a good starting point to just make sure everything holds together and get consistency down, and then we'll go from there and maybe turn it up some more. But should be okay for right now, and hopefully we can find some dry weather and get to a track somewhere. But like I say, overall I'm happy with it for right now, and I got to do a couple more little things to it, and looking for a dry weekend, test and tune night somewhere, go see what it'll do. But that's all I got for right now. So you guys like and subscribe, ask me some questions. like I said, if you got any questions, let me know. I mean, there was a lot to it. I had the microsquirt in it, and I ended up changing it and going to the megasquirt. It seemed it tune easier for some reason. But like I said, I just want to give credit to Randy down at Carolina Dyno in Wilmington. It's a little bit of a drive from Charlotte, but guy knows what he's doing. I was calling him the mad scientist yesterday. But anyway, you guys like and subscribe, leave me a comment. Talk to you guys next time.